So, welcome to my little talk about Kinko. During the last day, I heard a lot of the big talks, and many were about encryption is very important, we have to protect ourselves, but there is a problem. Email encryption is still too difficult for main spread adoption. There is a too big hurdle to take, even to install the tools and everything, and to start encrypting your email. And Kinko is here to solve this. So we believe that email encryption, that email content belongs to the sender and receiver only. We believe that email should be encrypted. We believe that email encryption must be easy to use, and we are here to build such tools. What is Kinko? Kinko is basically an easy-to-use, accessible, secure PGP proxy. Easy to use. It takes email encryption out of the client, making things easier. You don't have to take care of encryption yourself. Why is it accessible? Because you can use it with any device and anywhere you are. And why is it secure? We use PGP, combination of PGP open source cryptography. All the emails rest on an encrypted file systems on your own hardware, which is hopefully safe in your home. And if that's not enough, you can put the box in your doghouse. Why do we do it? What is special about Kinko? Three things. First, you can keep your favorite email client. You don't have to get a special email client that can do PGP encryption or anything. Just if you use Thunderbird, MUD, whatever, you can keep using it. Because Kinko acts as a proxy. You do not have to trust anybody. You don't have to trust any cloud service or anything. You have everything on your own hardware, for example, in a little box in your home. And you remain in full control of everything. The key is yours, everything is yours, you have full control, and yeah, that's, I think, very cool. How do we do it? Well, saying that it acts as a proxy basically explains it. You configure your email client to use Kinko instead of your email provider. So the email is sent to Kinko. Kinko encrypts the email with the receiver's public key, forwards it to your email provider, then it's passed on, and the same thing can happen on the other side. Of course, the other person doesn't need to use Kinko as well. They can use, for example, Thunderbird and Enigmail or anything else to do the encryption. Yeah, the idea is to make things easier, to give people who are afraid to, who want to encrypt their emails but who are afraid of the technology, a tool that takes care of encryption for them. How do we do it? We're not claiming to do things better than anyone else, or in other words, we're not reinventing the wheel. So what we're doing is we're combining proven and trusted free and open source technology and give them a new and exciting purpose. Since those tools were originally not intended for a proxy application, we of course have to do a little modifications, some patches, our own front end for the configuration, and a custom SMTP server. And the idea to make things as easy as possible, we try to put everything on a little box. Think of a single board computer like the Raspberry Pi. Again, it will run on almost any hardware, but the idea is that you have some, for example, some political group, like I think the next talk is from Amnesty, maybe Amnesty International political group, and you can give them this little box. They will plug it in the home network, and then they can start talking to each other with encrypted emails. So, yeah. So to set all up, we provided a little interface, little web interface that with that you can access the box, or Kinko, which also looks really, really cool. And yeah, that's basically it. So for since on this lightning talk there's not much time for question and answers, we've set up a little IRC channel that you can see here, where me and my team will be ready for answers. You can, of course, come to me directly and ask me. Also, I have these really cool info cards about the project with an early access code that you can get. I will remain here in the room until the break. So if you want, listen to the other lightning talks until the break, and then you can get the cards or talk to me. Yeah. Okay. Thanks.